Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do 3 minutes microwave bread. So actually this video, one of my friends asked me how she can do her microwave bread, the quick microwave bread. So I decided to come up with this video. She is the one who gave me the motivation. So these are the items which I'm going to use to make my 3 minutes coconut microwave bread. Of course we need a coconut flour. Let's make coconut flour. I need baking powder. I'll be using this one, royal baking powder. I need my 2 eggs, and I'll be using coconut oil to make this coconut bread, microwave 3 minutes coconut bread. For the coconut oil, if you don't have coconut oil, you can use your butter. It have to be the grass-fed butter. I will attach a picture to this video to show you the kind of butter, the keto compliant butter. Use your butter, but before you use the butter, you have to melt it first into the microwave. You have to melt it, not in the solid form. So I also have my bowl. This bowl is microwave, so you have to use a bowl that you can put into the microwave. I'm just going to mix everything into this bowl and put it in my microwave. It will stay there for 3 minutes. It's just 3 minutes, guys. It's a quick 3 minutes bread. So let's go straight into making the bread. So first thing first, I'm going to put in 2 spoons of coconut oil. 2 spoons. Of coconut oil into the bowl, and I'm going to break my 2 eggs here. So what you do, you first mix the wet ingredients, then you mix the dry ingredients. So I'm just going to beat that together. Just going to mix it. Hit the inside. I'm going to mix that together. So I'll add in 2 spoons of coconut flour. Just make coconut flour. I'm going to add in 2 spoons. And baking powder, I'll add in a quarter. This baking powder, just a quarter, to make it rise. I'm just going to beat that. So that's it, guys. It is ready. I'll just put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. So this is the mixture, guys. I'm just going to put it into the microwave here. For 3 minutes. So this is it, guys. This is the 3 minutes. It was in the microwave for just 3 minutes, and your bread is ready. You can put it in whatever container that you have, as long as it is microwavable. So this is the keto bread the 3 minutes coconut bread. Looks like this. I mean, you can always use it to do your burger. See how it looks like. If you feel like you really want to eat bread, you can just make a quick, it's very hot, you can just make a quick keto bread. I mean, you can use it to even do your burger. You can cut it like this. It's very hot, I can't even hold it very well. Tomatoes, your mayonnaise, and your sandwich. You just do your sandwich and you eat it instead of eating the bread that is high in carbs. This is a quick fix. And also, if you want it to be brown in color, if you have a toaster, you can always put it in the toaster and just toast it. If you have a toaster, you can just put it in the toaster and just toast it. If you don't have a toaster, you can always put it on a pan and make it to be brown. I'm going to show you how. So this is your pan. I put it on the fire. If you don't have a toaster, like for me, I don't have a toaster at the moment, and you want to make it look like a real bread, you can always toast it. If you want to make it look brown, to give it that brown color. Actually, it depends on the quantity that you want. So I think it's okay. I don't want to toast mine too much. So this is your 3 minutes coconut microwave bread. For those of us who don't have oven and you feel like you want to eat bread, you can always do this. It's very quick, 3 minutes. You can use whatever filling, your avocado, you can use your mayonnaise, you can use your tomatoes, your salad. I mean, and it depends on the size also. If you want it big, you can make like 4 eggs and 4 spoons of coconut flour. When you just put in all your fillings, and it's going to be like this, you can just cover it like this, and yeah, at least you have a burger to go. Looks like this, very yummy. It saves you the stress of eating the normal bread that is packed with a lot of calories. So this is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you think that this video is helpful, and also don't forget to comment. Don't forget to click on the subscription button down below this video. I'll see you guys again in my next video.